Starting an online business can be a great way to be your own boss. But with so many options out there, it can be tough to know where to start. If you're a beginner, then here are 10 online business ideas for you. Let's dive in. Number 1, e-commerce store. There are many ways to earn money with an e-commerce store. You can sell digital products, physical products, or the combination of both. Dropshipping is a popular option where you don't have to carry any inventory yourself. You just partner with a seller and the seller will ship the products to the customer. Number 2, freelancing. If you have an expertise in a particular area, then you can build a team and try to do freelancing through the online platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and freelancer.com. Number 3, blogging. Blogging is a great way to earn money. If you have an expertise with writing, then you can share your knowledge with the people and you can monetize your blog through Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, and selling your own products. Then you can build a team and they will write for you. Thus you can earn money through blogging. Number 4, YouTube channel. Nowadays YouTube is a great platform and where you can post videos and earn through the YouTube monetization and the outside companies sponsorship and selling your own products. Firstly, choose a niche and then make video on the niche, post them on your channel and fulfill the criteria of YouTube authority. After fulfilling the criteria, you will get the monetization and you will earn a handsome figure. Then you can affiliate through your videos. You can sponsor any products or sell your products on your channel. Number 5, social media marketing. Nowadays, businesses are increasingly turned to the social media to attract their target audience. If you have a great expertise or experience in social media marketing, then you can work with the companies as a consultant, or you can create your team to work with them as a consultant agency, and there is a huge opportunity in this niche. Number 6, online course creation. If you have an expertise in a particular subject, then you can create a course and sell them online, and through this you can help the people and obviously earn a good amount. Number 7, virtual assistant. Virtual assistant basically work with the people remotely and they provide the assistance of technical, advertise, management, and the other issues. So if you have an expertise or if you can create a team to work with them, then you can obviously work with them remotely. Number 9, print and demand. There are many platforms like Etsy where you can print your printings and sell them. If anybody purchases your print, then Etsy or the platform will ship them with the print and you will earn. Number 9, affiliate marketing. You can promote other people's products and earn through the commission. If you sell their products, then they will give a portion of the profit and thus you can earn a huge number of money through your affiliate marketing. And some kind of affiliate programs are there. They offer huge amount and that's really big amount. So you can earn money with affiliate marketing. Last but not the least, number 10, online consulting. If you have a good expertise or experience in a particular area, then you can offer consulting in online. You can create an online course and through it you can offer online consulting. Like if you have expertise on health, or if you have an expertise on psychology, if you have an expertise on finance and investment, then you can offer them through your online course. It can be as consulting. Through the consulting, you can earn a handsome figure like $500 to $1,000 or more dollar for your consulting. Well, so these are the 10 online business ideas that you can start. If you enjoyed this video, then please hit the like button, comment in the comment box below, share this video with your friends, and do subscribe obviously.